I have two dryers here. This is the dryer from our house. It has a 4-prong outlet. It's currently working, but my wife seems to not like it. And I picked up this other dryer. I picked up a used washing machine, and they had this dryer that came with it. And she said, I want to use this dryer. It is an older dryer. As you can tell, it has 3-prong outlet. Newer houses have the 4-prong, so these are the newer outlets. So what I need to do is I need to switch this 4-prong outlet over to this 3-prong dryer. I'm gonna show you how to do that. The first thing that we're gonna need to do is you're gonna see where this wire goes into this back panel. This one has a Phillips screwdriver, and this comes up here, and this one has a hex screw. I believe it's a 1/4 inch, but I don't have my sockets by me, so I'm just gonna vice grips that thing and then spin that. Now that we have that off, we're just gonna remove this. And as you can see, as this comes out, we have it's like a double ground. That's what they determined was safer. So you have 2 grounds now. So we're going to make sure it's black, green, red, and then this one as well is grounded to the machine. And then we're also going to need to move this bracket right here. This is a Phillips screwdriver. We'll remove that. So it's good if you are unsure of your configuration to take a picture. And we're just going to remove each of these screws right here. And then we'll use a hex to get rid of this one, white one that's attached to the frame as well. And now that those are loosened, I'm just going to pop them off. And then you're gonna do your best. I don't want those to fall in the back here, because otherwise I'm gonna have to dig them up or get new ones. So just be extra careful. And then we're gonna remove this last hex screw, which is this white wire right here, to the frame of the dryer. And we're just going to take that off. I believe this is a 3/8, but I'm not using my sockets. I'm just using the vice grips. So not a big deal. And now that we've got that, we can just pull those right out. So now we have removed this dryer, my 4-prong dryer, and we want to switch that 4-prong over to here. So we're just going to do the same thing, remove these 3. And now that we've got that, line 1, neutral, line 2, we're just going to slide that out. Slide these over here. So now I've put those 3 prongs in here, and you're just gonna forego this white wire. This new one has the white wire, the old ones do not. So we're just not gonna have that second ground. So we're gonna come over here, we're gonna take these wires and we're gonna stick them up through here. And now we've got these up through here. Now after we have those wires reconnected, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this white wire and we're gonna connect it to this frame as well. Connected this white wire over here and screwed that down. So now we've got all 3 of these tightened back in, our line 1, neutral, and line 2. We took our other white wire that was attached to our frame over there. We've got it attached to our frame as well over here. This is our second neutral or ground. And so this is what makes them a little safer. They determined that having 2 of these was better than having 1. So now we're gonna put those back plates back on. This 4-wire dryer and turn it into a 3-wire dryer. And we have taken over here the 3-wire dryer and we have made it a 4-wire dryer. If you remember, there were some wire guards here, and as you can see, these ones are out. So we're just gonna make sure that we finish by adding these clips right here, and I'll just do that later. But that is how you can switch a 3 to a 4 or a 4 to a 3-prong outlet. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.